Welcome. Today we'll be making some delicious homemade coleslaw, and if you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing and let's get started. Measurements will vary according to the quantity of your ingredients, but I have some apple cider vinegar here. You can use lemon juice as well. I have black pepper and salt for seasoning, and I have parsley. I have cabbages that I've shredded. You can also add some red cabbages for that color and pop. I have mayonnaise. I have shredded carrots, and I also have onions. I usually add also green onions, but I have the purple onions, so that is what I'm working with. Now into your bowl, add your mayonnaise. Then go ahead to add in your seasonings. This is the black pepper and salt. Also your apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Then add your onions. Remember, you can use green onions as well. Go ahead to add in your parsley. You can also use coriander. It goes perfectly well with coleslaw. Go ahead to mix everything together. I also went ahead to add one optional ingredient that you can totally skip, and that is sugar. I used about half a teaspoon, and this helps to balance all those flavors, and some people even add honey, so it depends with your preference, but sugar helps balance those flavors. Once that is done, it's time to mix the veggies together in a bowl. So that is the cabbages and carrots. Remember, you can use red cabbages as well. Once you've mixed everything together, it's time to add in the mayo mixture. And go ahead to mix everything together. And the coleslaw is done, and you can prepare it a bit earlier before a meal so that you can let it chill on your fridge, and it was absolutely delicious. I will highly recommend that you try making your coleslaw this way. But I hope you did enjoy this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Till the next recipe, I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.